YouTube, blow them. I'm back with another banger video for y'all boys. I'm back with another drip video for y'all boys. That's right, you see it, glow them. Your boy just got some new pickups, some new heat, designer heat. I'm feeling bougie, stop playing. I want to give a great shout out to my peoples, my family, BeKicks. But this is my second pair of Dior shoes they sent me. BeKicks is an affordable shoe website where you can cop your favorite sneakers, bro. They got Jordans, they got Nike, they got Yeezys, Babe, they got Dior, Balenciaga. I ain't rocking no Balenciaga. Any sneaker slides, hype beast items that you want, go shop with BeKicks. BeKicks got it for you. All their information will be linked in the description. Their website, Instagram, WhatsApp number, all the information will be linked in the description. Use my code GLOW for $15 off, man. Stop playing, use that. They also got discount codes of their own on their website, but use my code GLOW for $15 off. Stop playing, link in the description. BeKicks hooked me up with my second pair of Dior's. I think these are the Dior 30s. Yeah, Dior B30. But these right here are my second pair. Overall, I have 3. I ain't gonna cap on them. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't know, your boy drive a BMW 750i type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm stunting on them just a little bit. Twin turbo V8 engine, just a little bit. I pull up to the gas station, right? I'm wearing these in a tank top and some black pants or some shit, right? Tell me why shorty she looking at me pumping the gas. I see her head turn. I got girls turning their heads with me in these shoes. But she go in the store, she come out the store. She pull up right in front of my BMW. I'm about to take off. She say, boy, you is so fine. I said, yeah, baby, it's the Dior's. It's the Dior's. She said, I'm so fine, I'm so handsome. She liked my shoes, my outfit. She was gassing my head up. Shout out to BeKicks, man, because if it wasn't for the Dior's, I probably would never got that compliment, because shorty looked at me from the ground up. Fuck you talking about? You know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I do be uploading unboxing videos. As soon as I get the shoe, I film unboxing videos of me unboxing it. As you can see, I wore a nice fit with it. It went with the fit. I looked it good, and this is what BeKicks can do for you. You know what I'm saying? Use my code GLOW for $15 off. Stop playing, let's go. But yeah, man, I don't know too much about designer shoes. Really, Christian Dior are like the only ones I will wear, because a lot of designer brands be on some nasty shit like Balenciaga. But I like Christian Dior. These are very comfortable. They fancy. Because of BeKicks, I'm for sure a fan of Christian Dior. Me personally, I can wear this 8+ hours and feet don't hurt. It's very stylish on what you put it with type shit. Me personally, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. The other shoes that BeKicks give me, I give those a 10 out of 10. But if you had to ask me which one I would wear, I for sure picking these. I know back to school is coming up for all my high schoolers, college students. You know what I'm saying? Friday coming up, birthday coming up. You got Christmas right around the corner, man. Look, use my code GLOW for $15 off. Go shop with BeKicks. They gonna get you right. They got all the sneakers that you need. They got all the sneakers you need. Babe, Nike, Jordan, Yeezys, Kobe's, Nike up tempos. They got the Yeezy slides. They got all the designers that you need. Even sick old nasty Balenciaga. Spit on them. And make sure y'all go follow BeKicks on their Instagram so you can see what shoes they got on their website. Go shop with them. All the information is linked in the description. Their shoes are amazing. They're not a scam. You know what I'm saying? When you order the shoes, they send you high quality pictures and video of the shoe before they sent it. The shipping is great. Never had a problem with when it comes to the shipping. It probably takes a week tops. Probably less than that. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you like this video. Use my code GLOW for $15 off, man. Use that. Go shop with BeKicks. All the information will be linked in the description. I love y'all. I hope you have a peace, positive day, peace, positive night. Tell your girls at the bath. Don't know. Oh, yeah. Flex, chill. But she got a fat ass. Tell us out the jacuzzi, you dig? I love y'all boys. Yeah.